Yo, what's going on, everybody? Jermaine Lee Monster Steel here, doing this quick video for you guys today. Super excited to share this information. Yesterday, I did a video on how to make money with Fiverr, Chat GPT, right? Utilizing the Fiverr platform in order to create gigs to write emails and blog posts for other people to make money. All right, so I'm going to link you guys to that at the end of this video. Today, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to utilize Amazon Influencer, okay? Which is basically a way for you to, I'm gonna go back to the private view of my Amazon influencer site. So basically what you're gonna do, first step, let's go ahead and get rid of these notes from yesterday. First step, you're gonna sign up for Amazon influencer, right? And this is something I've been doing for quite a while. I've got multiple profiles on this. You definitely only wanna have one if you only have one Amazon account that you have access to. But then you wanna sign up for, let's see. So you're going to sign up for Amazon Influencer, and it's going to be, you know, Amazon as an affiliate. So I'm going to say Amazon as an affiliate. All right. And so basically, once you sign up for those two things, you're going to be positioned to create income from thin air. All right. So it's not going to be big commissions. Okay. So I'm going to share with you guys basically the Amazon Influencer commission rate. Okay. And so the commission rates are based on the Amazon affiliate program. And so basically, inside of here, you're going to see Amazon games are going to be 20%. And that's Amazon games, right? The luxury and beauty is the next highest up, 10%. And then it goes all the way down the line, right? So the affiliate incomes, the commissions are not really high. But this is something that you could do like literally on nothing budget. So the videos I've been doing lately, guys, are for people that are not able to join, you know, my monthly subscription program, people that are not able to do e-commerce with us at a high level. Okay. So I want to start kicking out these videos every, you know, couple times a week at least, right? So I want to get this one done before we head out to a trip. But basically this will give you all the different commission rates, all the different paid memberships that you can promote, right? So you can promote NBA League Pass, you can promote all these different things, and all you got to do is come through, look at the different you know, bounties for Audible, different things that you can promote. And there's different ways to do this. So you can either do this from your Amazon profile as an influencer. You can go live, you can do an idea list, and you can do videos and photos. Okay, so if you scroll down on my page, and I'm just going to share with you guys one of my profiles that has made several sales. I bought these, I don't know, probably a month ago, and then I decided to do a post on them, and I've actually sold these thermo ball mules from North Face, right? So basically, you're just uploading content. Okay, so you can make a review video, or you can do what I'm doing like this, and you can just create idea lists. You can do photos, as you can see here. You can do videos. So I've actually downloaded, and you can download, I'll get into that later. I'll show you guys the basics of how to do this, and then in another video I'll show you guys how to download, upload other people's content, which is basically curating content and or utilizing Chat GPT once again for different descriptions within your idea list and things of that nature to attract people through keywords over to your different posts. All right, so once you sign up for Amazon as an affiliate and, you know, Amazon influencer, you're basically going to create a profile. So all I did was just throw in my Traveling Beast banner, my picture, and I just said serial entrepreneur and put one of my websites in there. Okay. So basically you're going to do the same thing. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on create content. You're going to click on create idea list, right? And basically we'll say, what is this list about? So here's just an idea. You could say like hot, you can say hot summer items to sell. Right, to sell. And so hot summer items to sell. So what we'll do is 17 popular items from nichedropshipping.com, and then we're just going to pick on, we're going to do, let's see, they got beach towels, Bluetooth speakers. Let's just do beach umbrellas. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do beach umbrellas. Umbrellas and beach, let's say beach goer stuff, right? So you can call it whatever you want. And then I'm going to use Chat GPT. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to say 100 words. I'm going to say beach umbrella sales. And then we're going to type that in. Okay, so I got to actually log in. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and let's just do beach umbrella. So you can use, as you can see, Chat GPT, like I used it yesterday for Fiverr, beach umbrellas and stuff for the beach, right? So I'm gonna keep this simple, but you can obviously get into keyword research, utilizing Chat GPT to utilize those keywords and insert them into the description and stuff for the summer, right? So just for training purposes, we'll do another one to kind of give you a better idea. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna browse Amazon. We're gonna say beach umbrella, and what's gonna happen is once you find different items, preferably you want like high ticket, the higher price items, the more commission you're gonna get. And I'm literally just gonna click on a bunch of these, right? So click, we'll get rid of that one. Anything over like $40 or around $40, $50. And then the last thing you're gonna do is just insert them into, let's do this one, and for sake of time, boom, right? So what do you like about this product? So you can go in here and you could use, let me just go ahead and log into Chat GPT. Let's see, I think that's why I'm not logged in. And maybe I just needed to refresh it. Verify I'm human, boom. All right, so we're gonna come back and we're gonna say, I'm gonna get rid of this, and we're gonna say description for this, right? So basically what this is gonna do, if you take that extra time to go over to Chat GPT, I'm gonna paste that in there, and I'm gonna say 100 words description. So I'm telling it to write out a description, if I can spell, 100 words, right? And so basically what's gonna happen, and you're gonna see automatically, boom, it's gonna generate 100 words for this umbrella affiliate product that we're promoting. And I'm just gonna copy that. Once that finishes up, let Chat GPT do its thing. And then you can just go ahead and paste that in there, right? Whoop. And so it's only going to allow you, I believe, so many words. So you're going to have to get rid of some of the words. But that will allow you to get more keywords in there, right? So you can even just take the description, the title, and then just add to it, right? So basically, if you were promoting something like the thermal ball mules that I bought, the shoes, then I could say super comfortable, a little bit warm, right? And give a little bit of description of what the product's about, right? And that's the point of becoming an influencer. So guys, you can create different influencer pages in different niches, right? So we have a grandma page with 250,000 likes, and we create sales on that daily basis. We could create autism niche page. You could create basically any page based around products that you want to sell, okay? So you can kind of just go broad, what I'm doing, and just throw stuff out into cyberspace, or you can narrow that down, okay? So it does have to be approved. And that's it, guys. So we'll go ahead and we'll do one more, and we're gonna say Easter eggs. We're gonna do this because this is a good one, right? So we're gonna do filled Easter eggs. We're gonna say 500, 250, and 100. And the reason I'm doing this is because I know for a fact the last 8 years we've been selling on Amazon. We're gonna say toy filled, right? And we're going to say candy filled, and let's see, so eggs, I'm going to say toy filled, candy filled, and more. All right, so this is for Easter eggs. Whoop. Eggs filled with toys, candy, and games. All right. And basically, you're going to see here when I click on Add Products, Browse Amazon, I'm going to say 500 filled eggs, and boom, as you can see here. And again, I know for a fact that these sell, and people are constantly searching for them, and it's a pretty decent ticket item when you get up into the 500s. So again, I know these sell because we've sold these year after year. All right. So basically, what I'm going to do is go ahead and submit that one, and boom, that's it. So guys, I mean, you could sit here for 10, 15 minutes a day. You could have your kids do that. You could do it yourself. Very, very passive income. So this is something that's very simple. I'm going to have this video open for free for now until, obviously I start charging for it. So go ahead and get access to that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel right here, Traveling Beasts, and make sure you go through, you sign up, and you access my other videos here on the video page, and you subscribe and add me on Facebook. All right, guys. So Jermaine Lee Monster Steel. If you got some value, share this video and check out my other YouTube channel videos. Peace.
Your excuse is you procrastinating? How you procrastinate? No bills don't procrastinate when they come. Why should you?